you before, water is essential for our life. All living things need water to live. Am I right, children? Like humans, birds, insects, and everything needs water to live. And also we discussed about uses of water. So as Akshaya said, there are more uses of water. So like drinking, cooking food, like putting out fire for fire extinguishers, they use water. Bathing, washing clothes, even for watering plants, mopping, swimming, washing cars. There are many uses of water that we discussed yesterday. Am I right, children? Okay, I think you all are clear. Let me ask one more. Yes, Akshara, tell me, what are the uses of water? Akshara?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the uses of water, dear.
Washing hands, bathing,
Okay. Okay.
washing dishes,
Okay.
swimming, cooking, firing,
Putting out fire, yes.
cleaning,
Okay, Akshara, you did a very good job. You remember everything. That's really nice. Thank you so much for answering. Last we have Varshita. Yes, Varshita, tell me some of the uses of water that we discussed.
taking bath, swimming, washing, washing cars,
Then,
water
okay.
plants,
Okay.
put out the fire,
Okay.
cooking,
Okay.
taking, drinking.
Very good, Varshita. You also remember everything. Once again, I will discuss the same. So, there are some of the activities that we do with water in our family. So, what is the first one? Washing vegetables. If we have the book, take page number 54. We have everything in that. So, first is washing vegetables, washing clothes, cooking, cleaning, and cleaning pets, watering plants, cleaning utensils, that is vessels, putting out fire. Fireman will be using that, and you have even seen in some movies and everything. And washing cars. For swimming, we use water. For mopping and washing hands, we use water. So these are some of the activities that we do with water. Next, we are going to see the sources of water. If you all remember, we have discussed about the sources of water in UKG class. I think you all will remember that. So today we are going to discuss about it in detail. Okay, children? I think you all are ready. The first, rain is the main source of water. So even yesterday we saw a cycle, water cycle. Did you all remember? Okay, let me ask. Dhyanesh, tell me the water cycle that we saw yesterday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me the water cycle that we saw yesterday in that video.
When water is evaporating, the clouds will come, then only the clouds will give the raindrops.
Very good, Dhyanesh. Very good. That's really great. So what happens? So the water from the sea, pond, everything will get evaporated by the sun. By the heat of the sun, they will get evaporated and they become clouds. So after a while, the clouds get melted by the heat, again the heat of the sun, and it becomes rain. Not only because of heating, even with colliding with other things, so it will get melted and it becomes rain. That's really nice, Janish.
Thanks.
So I think you all remember the water cycle. So rain is the main source of water. So next we are going to see some of the sources of water like puddles, ponds, lakes, rivers and streams. So what are some of the sources of water? Puddles. Can you see the picture? The rainwater fills in puddles. So what happens to the rainwater? So that's why we will be saying that we have to save the rainwater. So these are the natural source. So what happens when the rain comes? The water first fills the puddles. So it fills many things. So first what it fills is puddles. Next is pond. Next is pond. Next is lake. Next is river. Next is stream. These are some of the sources of water. Can you see it again? So what is the main source of water? It's rain. The main source of water. Okay. So we are discussing about the sources of water. So what is the main source of water, children? The main source of water is rain. Very good children. I think you all understood. Yes, Janish, rain is the main source of water. So we can see the other source, like first is puddle. It's a small kind of pond. And next we have a pond. Next, lake. Next is river and stream. So these are the sources of water. Now who's going to tell me the sources? Vihan. So what is the main source of water, Vihan?
Rain.
Very good. What is the main source of water?
Rain.
Very good, Vihan. So, Bryden, tell me the source of water. What is the first one?
Puddle. Puddle.
Very good. What is the next one? Kavan?
Pond.
Very good. Next is pond. Varshita, tell me the next one. Varshita?
Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the next source of water?
Lake.
What you can see in the picture? Lake. Yes, very good. Next is Pranisha. What is the next one?
Stream.
Very good, dear. So I think you all got the sources of water. Let me discuss the source of water again. So what are the sources of water? The main source of water is rain. What is the main source of water? It's rain. First we have puddle. Next is pond. Next is river. Next is lake. Next we have river and stream. So puddle, pond, lake, river, stream. These are some of the sources of water. Some rainwater sweeps through the ground. So if you see the rain, there are some water will get stuck in the ground. Have you ever seen that, children? So what happens is, we take our groundwater from some of the sources. These are man-made sources. So we are going to see that. Okay, Kavan, it's okay. I think you can see it now. So first is well. These are man-made sources that we are using it to save water. That is, first one is well. Next is tube well. I think it can be seen in some villages. So first is well. Second is tube well. So the groundwater gets sucked by the tube and we are getting water from that. And next is hand pump. I think you all have seen this hand pump. Have you ever seen that, children? Have you ever seen hand pump? You can type yes in the chat box. No, Pranisha have. Okay. Yes, Zain. Okay, Zain have seen. Oh, you children have never seen that? Oh, Varshita have seen. Samyukta have seen. Yeah, it's becoming rare in city side, but in villages it will be there everywhere. Even I have seen that. So these are some of the sources where the water gets saved. Yes. So what are the... Okay, I can see the answers. Yes. Okay, Rudra have seen. Rio Kevin have seen. Chan have seen. Yes. So these are the some of the man-made resources to save the water resources. So what are the things? Well, tube well, and hand pump. What is the first one? Well, tube well, and hand pump. Okay. So in villages, wells are the main source of water. Yes, if you have been to villages, in some of the villages, they use the well as the main source of water because the water gets stored in the ground. So it will be available in the well. Okay, have you ever seen the well? You can see that. Yes, okay. It's okay, Akshara. I will show you. I will show everything for you all. So what is the first thing? Well, tube well, and hand pump. This is how the groundwater getting sucked up and we are getting water. Even in city side, we are getting groundwater. Even in my home, I am getting the groundwater through the motor. So it is not here in the picture. So I am just telling you all. So who's going to tell me all three sources? Mahat. Yes, Mahat. Tell me how we are getting the groundwater. By? Yes. Yes. Hand pump. Very good, Mahat. Very good. Next we have... yes, Alia. Tell me.
Tubwell.
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 Well.
Tubwell.
Tubwell.
Well.
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 Yes, it's tube well
Hand pump.
and hand pump.
Hand pump.
Okay.
Hand
Okay,
pump.
repeat it with me. First is well. Repeat it with me, Alia. First is well,
Well.
Tubwell.
tube well,
Tubwell.
Hand pump.
Hand pump.
tube well is hand pump. Okay, fine. It's tube well, Alia. Okay, it's tube well. Okay, so these are the main sources of water, and even we have seen how the groundwater getting swept up and how we are getting the groundwater. These are the some of the sources. Next, we are going to see the properties of water. before going to the properties of water, I want you all to do something. So everyone go on, take a cup of water or a glass of water with you. Come on, everyone, take a cup or a glass of water. Are you all ready with the water? If you are ready with a cup or a glass of water, just say yes in the chat box. Okay. I can see that. Okay, I can see some yeses. Okay, first I'm going to call. Okay, Rio Kevin. Okay, everyone is ready. Rio Kevin, can you click on the question mode so that I can ask you some questions with that glass of water? Okay, Rio Kevin. Rio Kevin, switch on your video mode.
Yes, ma'am.
Switch on your mode.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your video is not visible to me. Your video is not visible to me. Okay, Rio Kevin. Okay, tell me, what is the color of the water inside your cup or glass? Yeah, there is no color, right? Yes, there is no color for water. Is there any color in that?
No.
Yeah, there is no color for the water. Great. Next, I want. Yes, Adila. Switch on your video mode, dear. Thank you, Rio Kevin. Thank you for doing that. Next, switch on your video mode. Adila.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I can see the Adila. Okay, can you show me your glass of water? Okay, so now what you're going to do is drink the water. Drink it. Okay, I think your video got stuck. Did you drink it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now tell me, Adila, what is the taste of the water? How it is?
Good.
Okay, I think you're drinking. Fine. Okay, I think you have drunk the water. So, what is the taste of the water, dear? What is the taste of the water? How it tastes? It's good, I know that. So, what is the taste? I know you all know the taste is, right? Sweet, sour, and bitter and everything, right? It's sweeter. Okay. Okay, that's fine, Adila. You did a great job. Thank you so much. So nowadays, even some water are little sweet because of the mineral water. I think you all know that. So actually, the taste of water is nothing. It's tasteless. If you want to do it again, you children can drink it and you can tell me the answer. Yes, there is no taste. Yes, Varshita. Yes, Vihan. There is no color to water. There is no taste for water. And now I want one of you who's going to do that. Okay, Pranisha, switch on your video mode, dear. Okay. Now, what you're going to do is, smell the water, dear. Smell the water. Okay. How it smells?
I don't have any smell.
Hey, you don't. Hey, there will be a smell. Can you smell like rose?
No smell.
No smell? Oh, that's great, Pranisha. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you. Yes, as Pranisha said, there is no smell. There is no odor. It's odorless. So, what is the water? Water is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. That is smell. There is no smell for water. Thank you, Pranisha. Thank you so much for doing that. Okay, so now we are going to see the properties of water. I can see some answers in this. Okay, yes, Vihan. Some water will be salty. Yes, Adila, you are right. Some water will be salty because sea water is always salty. Yes, but more water what we are used for drinking and the rainwater, they are tasteless, colorless, and odorless. So we are going to see the properties now. Properties of water. What is the first property we saw? It is colorless, tasteless, and odorless. So the water, rainwater is a pure water. So it's coming, it's a natural way of water. It's a main source of water. If you have ever tasted it, it will be odorless, it will be colorless, and it will be tasteless. So it's a pure water. So those water are getting mixed up in sea and becoming salty. So don't get confused with that. So this is the first property. Who's going to tell me the first property? Yogesh. Yogesh, tell me the first property. What is the first property, dear? Water is? What is the first property? Your voice, I think you have to unmute your call because your voice is not clear. Okay, what is the first property? Yogesh? We were discussing now. I think your voice is not clear. Okay, that's okay, fine. We can give chance for others. Can you hear? Can you talk something, Yogesh? Because I cannot hear anything from you. Okay, that's okay, fine. Okay, Yuvesh, tell me what is the first property? Yuvesh?
Yes,
Yuvesh, tell me
ma'am.
the first property. What is the first property, dear?
Color, no. No color.
Colorless,
No.
and okay. Then
Taste, no. Taste,
yes,
no.
there is no taste for water. Then
Water, no.
yes, there is no smell for water. Okay, that's really nice.
Thank
Okay,
you,
no
ma'am.
problem, Yogesh. Okay, thank you so much, Yuvesh. Yes, Adila, you have tasted water. Wow, that's really nice. How it tastes like? I know there is no taste for water. If you have ever tasted rainwater, next time you can try it. Sorry, parents, for telling that. Okay, Pranisha is having something to tell me. Yes, Pranisha, tell me.
I have an easy way to remember, ma'am.
Okay, tell me what is the easy way?
Which If I see, it's no color. If I smell,
Okay.
it's no. If I taste, it's no taste. We all
Okay,
have,
that's really nice.
we already have three in our face.
Okay, that's really nice, Pranisha. I think your children have heard that. That's really nice. It's brilliant, Pranisha. Thank you so much for telling that. Yes, as Pranisha
Welcome.
said, yeah, welcome, dear. So as Pranisha said, by seeing we can see the colors, right? So it's colorless. By seeing the water, there is no color, so it's colorless. So by tasting it, yes, we use our mouth and tongue to taste. Yes, there is no taste for water. And by smelling, using your nose, by smelling, there is no smell, that is odorless. Okay, everything we have in our face, as Pranisha said, that's really nice, Pranisha. Thank you so much for telling that. So what is the first property? It's colorless, tasteless, and
Colorless.
odorless. Okay, Pranisha, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So that is the first property. Next, we are going to see the second property. What is the second property? So now you are going to tell me the second property. I think you all have the glass of water, right? Did you all have it in your hand? Okay. Now you are going to tell me what is the shape of the water, children? Is there any shape for water? Is there any shape for water? Yes, there is no shape for water. There is no shape for water. Yes, you children are right. There is no shape for water. So water takes the shape of the container in which it is poured. So if you are pouring water, yes, cylindrical shape of my cup. Okay, Pranisha, that's really nice. I think you have a cylinder shaped cup. Yes. So that it shapes like a cylinder shape. Yes. So if you are pouring the water inside a bottle, it will look in the shape of bottle. And if you are pouring some water inside a pan or something, a container, so it will be looking in the shape of the container. If you are pouring some water inside a cup, a small cup, it will be in the shape of the cup. So there is no shape for water. So what is the second property? Alia, what is the second property, Alia?
What is the second property? There is no shape of water.
There is no shape of water.
Yes, very good. There is no shape for water. Very good, Alia. That's really nice. Thank you so much for doing that. Next, we are going to see some more interesting. Now, I want some of the students, if you have salt in your home, I hope you all have salt and sugar in your home. I want you all to put a little pinch of salt or sugar inside your cup of water. If you have done that, just type yes in the chat box. What you are going to do is, you are going to put a pinch of salt or sugar inside the cup of water you have in your hand. Okay, Vigan is ready first. Okay, Vihan, you click on the question answer mode. Can you click on the question answer mode, Vihan? So that I can ask you the answer. Yeah, okay. Okay, Vihan, switch on your video mode. Let me see you.
Just now.
Vihan, sit down.
Vihan?
He has drank, ma'am. He drank the salt water.
I never told you to drink that, Vihan. Okay. Hi, Vihan.
So that yesterday, ma'am.
Okay. You drank it. Okay, how
Yes,
it
ma'am.
tasted like?
Salty. It was very salty, solo.
It is very salty, ma'am.
Okay, why did you drink that? Why did you drink that?
Because I'm very thirsty.
Okay. Okay, Vigan.
Ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am.
I will make him do it again, the activity.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, no problem. I think we can give chance for others. Okay, drink enough water, Vihan. So you won't feel thirsty. Drink enough water, okay?
Okay, ma'am, sir.
Okay, ma'am. Switch on the
Okay, dear.
Ma'am, video அப்புறமா
Okay, you can switch off the video.
Okay, ma'am.
Next we have Bryden. Bryden, can you click on the question button so that you can be unmuted? Don't drink the water, okay? Don't drink the water. Okay, you can switch on your video mode. Can you switch on the video mode? Okay, I can see Bryden. Okay. Bryden, can you show your face? I cannot see your face. Okay, I can see your face now. So what did you do with the cup of water, Bryden? What you added inside the water? What you added inside the water?
Salt.
Oh, you added salt? Okay. What happened to the salt inside the water, Bryden? What happened to the salt inside the water? It disappeared, right? It got hidden. Can you see that? Yes, Bryden, as you said, yes, it got disappeared. It is nothing but the salt is getting dissolved inside the water. That's really nice, Bryden. Yes, it got dissolved inside the water. The salt got dissolved inside the water. I think you can see the picture. So the water can dissolve many things. Yes, Yokesh is ready with something. Okay, Bryden, thank you so much. You can switch off your video mode. Thank you so much for doing that. That's really great. Yes, Yokesh, you can switch on your video and you can tell me and you can show me what you have done.
Thanks, ma'am.
Hi, Yokesh. Okay. What do you have in your hand? Do you have your cup of water?
Please.
Where is your cup? Hey, don't drink. Okay. Okay, did you put salt or sugar inside the water?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you add inside the water?
Dissolve, ma'am.
Okay, what happened to the salt inside the water?
It's gone, ma'am.
What, Yokesh? Your voice is lagging. What happened to the salt inside the water?
It's gone.
Gone, huh? Yeah, it disappeared, right, Yokesh? It got disappeared, right?
Ma'am.
Yes, it got dissolved. That's really nice, Yokesh. That's really nice. I think you children are so thirsty. By having a cup of water in your hand, you can drink that. Okay, that's really nice, Yokesh. Thank you. I want to ask one more. Okay. Who's going to do that? Okay, Rudra. Okay, Rudra, can you switch on your video mode? Yogesh, you can switch off your video mode, okay. Rudra, you can switch on your video mode. Rudra? Rudra, are you there? Oh, Vihan. Vihan is ready. Okay. Rudra, tell me. Can you switch on your video? Rudra, can you switch? Yes, I can see Rudra now. Okay, do you have your glass of water with you?
Say yes.
Yes.
Okay, what did you add inside the cup of water?
You put salt. No? Salt.
Salt.
Okay, what happened to the salt inside the water?
It dissolved.
It dissolved. Yes, very good, Rudra. Okay, thank you so much. You can mute your call. Okay, you can taste it also. It will be salty. Okay, I think you children are so thirsty today. I can see that. Okay, children, you all did a very good job. So as you all said, the salt or water, sugar inside the water got disappeared because it dissolved inside the water. So whatever you put inside the water, they will get dissolved. Okay, so what is the first property, children? It's colorless, tasteless, and odorless. What is the second property? The water takes the shape of the container in which it is getting poured. That is, it will get the shape of the container in whatever we are pouring the water. Then next is the property is water get dissolved. Whatever we put inside the water, they will get dissolved, like salt. You were telling me that you were putting salt and it got disappeared, and even sugar and getting disappeared because everything get dissolved inside the water. So these are the properties of water. So today we have our homework session. I hope you all remember that. So in that, for others, I think I have not seen your activity.